Hello, Jobeth Bowers, attorney from the Bowers Law. I wanted to take a few seconds here to answer an important question that gets asked on our website, on our Facebook page, and other resources on a regular basis. And that's regarding insurance and personal injury protection coverage. And a lot of times I'm asked, how much PIP insurance should I have, or what does my PIP insurance do? The answer to that question is you should have as much as you can possibly afford. Personal injury protection coverage is something that's on your policy, something that you completely have control over when you renew that policy, which you can do at any time. And what that does is if you're in an accident, whether you're at fault, whether somebody else is at fault, or whether we don't know who's at fault yet, and maybe we'll have to determine that in court, it's going to come in and it's going to pay your medical bills that you get from either the hospital, an ambulance, x-rays, CAT scans, MRIs, physical therapy, other regular doctor's visits. It's going to pay those bills, not out of the settlement, but almost right away, typically within 30 days of the bill being sent to your insurance company. It'll even pay you 85% of your lost wages. When you miss time from work as a result of injuries in the accident, you get paid up to what that limit is. Now in Maryland, if you have PIP insurance, you're going to have at least $2,500 worth of insurance. The problem is, most accidents, if you've gone to the hospital and you've gone via the ambulance and you've received x-rays, CT scans, or something like that, you've already exhausted the $2,500. Most companies will write you at least $5,000. Some will write you as much as $10,000 in personal injury protection coverage. Now again, this covers your medical bills, time you miss from work, and effectively, if you're in an accident and somebody else is at fault and you have $10,000 worth of personal injury protection coverage, unless you were seriously and catastrophically injured, and I'm talking broken bones, days spent in the hospital, things of that nature, that $10,000 should cover almost everything, if not everything, from your accident case. And what that means is when you go to settle this case, or your attorney, my office settles this case for you, you're not going to see any of that settlement money going out the door, or not much of that settlement money going out the door to pay medical bills. It goes in your pockets. It's a great, great, great coverage to have. I absolutely say do not ever waive personal injury protection coverage, because it's almost like free money if you get in an accident. What you pay in a premium compared to what the benefit is very, very, very beneficial for you. So, call your insurance agent, ask them what your PIP coverage is if you don't already know, and ask them what it would cost to increase that and what the max is. If for whatever reason they can't increase your PIP coverage, ask them about a coverage called MedPay. It's similar to the PIP coverage. The only difference is that it does not apply to lost wages, but it pays those medical bills, and in Maryland, it does not need to be paid back when you settle the case, which means the money's yours, you get it, and the bills get paid now, and it's more for you at settlement time. If you have any questions about this or anything else related to your insurance, go to bowerslawmd.com or call the office, 410-885-6200. Whether you're a client or not, I'd love to answer your questions about your auto insurance policy. And the important thing to know, I'm not an insurance agent. I can't sell you insurance. I'm not going to try to sell you insurance. I just want to give you the information that's going to put you in a better position if you're ever in an auto accident.